If somebody is the real architect of the society, then it is women. Women. Women is the most beautiful creation of God. And feminism is not about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you to present today's morning assembly on the occasion of International Women's Day. The day celebrates the power of women, their rights and role in our lives and society. Let us all honor the power of a woman but also highlight their sufferings, pain and anguishes that they have successfully battled over the year. And we salute to all the women of the society. Let us pray for all those women whose lives are hampered by sickness and ill health. And we ask God to heal them. Let us all join our hands and start prayer. After prayer, we are proud to be a part of this blessed country. Pledge is an action that symbolizes our loyalty to our country. Let us all recite the pledge with Pramila from class 8th. After pledge, everyone at some point in life needs some kind of inspiration if we are to keep on moving forward. Thoughts act as an aid memoir to focus us towards a specific goal. Here, for thought of the day, I would like to call Akansha from class 8th. Good morning to all. My name is Akansha. Today's thought is, the most beautiful thing a woman can wear is confidence. One of the most important qualities a woman can have is confidence. Confidence is knowing what you are good at and the value you provide. A confident woman knows what her strengths are. A confident woman uses positive words in her conversations. She doesn't put other people down in order for her to feel good about herself, and she doesn't want to disappoint anyone. She feels happy to help someone celebrate their own success, even if she hasn't achieved hers just yet. This is because of confidence that a woman has. So, confidence is the most beautiful thing a woman can wear. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Akansha. The theme of International Women's Day 2021 is Choose to Challenge, which states that the women are responsible for their own thoughts and actions every day and they challenge the world every day. In celebration of this year's International Women's Day, we look at ways to challenge towards workforce to build a more gender equal world. To focus on this year's theme, I would like to call Swapnil to deliver a speech. Thank you, Swapnil, for this knowledgeable speech. Women are special. They are the most sensitive, caring and maternal people in the world. They are very sympathetic towards people and things. Now, let us all enjoy this song dedicated for all the women of the world. And this song is Dil hai chota sa, choti si aasha. For this, I would like to invite on the stage girls from class 8th. Thank you to all of you for such a nice song in beautiful voice. After National Anthem, on International Women's Day, eyes of the world are focused on women. The poor, rich, illiterate, highly educated, housewives, the jobless, career women, traditional, modern, young, old, married and single. They all share something in common, their role as caregivers. Let us spend some time to think about all the love and care we have received from our mothers, wives, daughters-in-law and even our maids, and show some heartfelt appreciation to them. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.